My ongoing saga with my ZX81, I figured that one of the things I can do quite cheaply and to illuminate any potential issues I might have with the existing RAM pack that I'm using is to actually buy a modern RAM pack. And this is what I have right here. So obviously memory is very, very cheap nowadays, and this is a modern equivalent RAM pack, and including postage it was £14, so £13.95. And this is it here. It's got a reset there, I think, and maybe a status light. That is it. Pretty neat and tidy. Okay, let's give this a go. Oh, I've only just noticed that effect there. Yeah, very nice. So put this in slowly. That's a snug fit. Wanted to be extra careful just pushing that in the first time. But anyway, that seems to be fine. Let's put the power in. Ah, interesting. Stable. At least it looks to be stable. Now, I don't know what I was expecting there. I was really expecting it to be at the ZX81 side. But this does look stable. And button presses seem to be doing something. The video's a little bit funny on this monitor, but it's definitely a lot happier. So what if I just press that button there then? It's just a memory reset, as expected. Could be promising then. I'm not sure about using this monitor. Might need to try fine-tuning it first and then getting the cassette recorder out. Alright, will it load? So this is Defenda. Just list first. Yep, definitely loaded. Run. It is definitely running. It's doing what the other one did. It's doing this rolling. When it hits, it goes into fast mode. That's why you lose the video. There you go. Just break that a sec. So, almost feel like I've gone full circle with this. This does seem to be showing similar signs to my other ZX81. which seems to be older but has a real problem with the roll. So it's now looking like, for me to be able to demonstrate this game playing properly, to do the composite mod on the video. So stay tuned for, I think, part 5. So part 4 video now, and then part 5 video, hopefully, if I don't bodge it up, me using the same ZX81 I've got here now, with the same power supply, RAM pack, everything else, to actually play the game that I want to play. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I will make more videos in the future. Bye for now.